This is Friday afternoon at the Shanghai train station. Pretty routine here. So now it looks like you can't get in here without the ticket. So now, oh god, alright. This is, I hope we make the train. I definitely hope we make the train. I'm straight up on the other side. I don't know what's going on. Oh, she's at green light.
临时身份证可以去，
所以
我们先进去，到那里再等。
来得及吧？来得及。
来得及我不知道。
来得及. Oh, we don't know. We don't know if we're gonna make it or not. Alright, well, hopefully we do. If you sense any calmness or unfazedness by me right now, it's simply because I've been in this country for so long. This is bonkers for sure. Alright, she's got her stuff. 走走走走走走走走走走走。7号. Alright. Okay, alright. Oh no. We're running through the train station. We are literally sprinting. Oh, there, look at that. That's a classic Shanghainese anti-run here. Alright, we're going for it. Oh, she's parting the sea here. Oh. Alright. Okay, alright. We still got a little get up going. Not full sprint, but more than a speed walk for sure. Alright, I don't know. I don't really know what's going on. Alright, so that's our this gigantic line of people here. This is our train. We're good. We have time. We've relaxed a little bit. Definitely not fully relaxed. We've relaxed a little bit. She screams on the phone in Shanghainese when she gets anxious, so this isn't a good sign. Oh, here we go. Hey. Hello.
I'm married as we're going to probably encounter those people. Which I've never seen them before. There's a lot of story of them.
We're encountering the Sube people. Oh, alright, she's ready. Oh, okay, alright, this way. We made it. Made it on the train. I didn't know that was gonna happen.